In this video, I will show you how to use image to image in OpenArt. So there are a few ways to do this, but first just head over to image on OpenArt, then here where it says create image, go back, and the main way is image variations. So you can create different variations of an image. First just upload your source image, or you can also drag one from your history, and then for the prompt, just describe the variation you want. And then click generate, and it will then generate the output. Now make sure that your output right here is how you want it, so the correct aspect ratio and the resolution, and from there just wait for it to finish. You can also use a different model if you want to. And from there you can see it's done it. Now I chose the wrong aspect ratio, so it looks a bit weird, but it did do what I asked. You can also go to create image and then upload a reference. So go images right here and just upload an image as a reference, or again select one here, and then you can also make a change. So go image to image right here in create image as well, where you can then also use stuff like Nano Banana, GPT image and other models here. So now you know how to use image to image in OpenArt. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.